It's going through a warm-up cycle, spindle's turning. We're just warming it up before we run a program. Door's closed because spindle's running. It's a nice machine. Owner says it only has about 1,200 hours on it. It's only 3 years and 2 months old. It's a nice machine. He got the chip conveyor option with it when he bought it from Selway. It's a 3-axis 30 slot APC. He's got the probe, cooling system, and he's only run aluminum and brass on it. It's got the pendant. There's a probing system. It's got through spindle coolant. It's got air blast.